your dominant thoughts, aka your beliefs, will be what attract things to you in your life. So you have to make sure that your dominant thoughts are thoughts of positive things that are aligned with your desire. Because if your dominant thoughts are thoughts of fears, worry, anxiety, that is what you will attract in your life. So beware of what your dominant thoughts are. You can have all the desires in the world, but if you have a dominant thought of yourself that is limiting, that is negative, whatever you desire will not get to you. You have to change this limiting belief within. Then you can align those thoughts with those desires, and your dominant thoughts will become your new positive belief. You don't need to look further than your own thoughts. If you have negative thoughts, that's what you will attract in your life in forms of moods, emotions, action, circumstances, people, and events. Whereas if you change those limiting negative thoughts to positive thoughts, slowly but surely, you will encounter more positive people, circumstances, events, and actions, and desired results. So change your own thoughts from the negative to the positive and see what happens. If you are a pessimist person, no matter what you do, no matter what happens in your life, however positive it is, you will always find the negative in this situation. But the same can be said about an optimist. If you train your mind, slowly but surely, you can actually see more good in every situation, in every person, in yourself and the world. So the more you cultivate that attitude of gratitude to train yourself to see the good, the more good will come to you. That's it. You can't expect to focus on everything negative in your life and expect good to come from this. If you focus on poverty, that's what you're more likely than not to get. If you focus on sadness, that's what you'll get more of. However, if you focus on the good, the positive, the wholesome, on riches, on prosperity, on abundance, on gratitude, that's more likely than not what you will attract in your life. So you have a choice to make. So choose wisely.